tackle about the evolution of web, different types of web, and trends in ICT. And now, let's proceed. In 1989, Tim Berners-Lee, a British scientist, invented the World Wide Web, simply known as the web. It is an open-source information space where the documents, formatted and annotated using HTML and other web resources, are identified by Uniform Resource Locators or URLs, interlink hypertext links, and accessed via the Internet. It is considered as a central to the development of information age and used as a primary tool of people to interact with the people.
What are the different types of web?
First, we have Web 1.0. Web 1.0 defined as the first development of World Wide Web, where web pages are static. It is also known as flat or stationary pages, and it cannot be manipulated by users. Second, we have Web 2.0. Web 2.0 defined as a site that allows users to interact and collaborate with each other through social media dialogue, where they could create user-generated content in a virtual community. Last, we have Web 3.0. Web 3.0 allows data to be shared and reused across application, enterprise, and community boundaries. So now, let's begin with the trends in ICT.
Do you know what is the first trends in ICT? I don't know.
First, convergence. It refers to fusing of technological advancement to work on a similar task.
Like using a smartphone and digital camera for taking pictures?
Yes, you are correct.
Social media. Social media is an applications and website where the user can communicate, create, and share the contents and participate in online communities.
So that you know what is convergence and social media, let's begin with the types of social media.
Types of social media. First is the social network. Social network is the website where the user has the same interest. Second is the social news. Social news is the website where the user can post and stories. Third, you have bookmarking sites. Bookmarking sites defined as a website that allows you to share and store internet bookmark, articles, posts, blogs, image, and others. For example, Pinterest, StumbleUpon, Dribbble, and etc. Fourth, we have media sharing. Media sharing defined as a website that allows you to share and install multimedia files such as a video, photos, and music. Fifth,
We have microblogging.
microblogging defined as a website that allows you to broadcast short message. For example, Twitter, Tumblr, Twitter. Sixth, we have blog and forums. Blog and forums defined as a discussion website that allows users to ask questions, comment on a journal posted by an individual or group. For example, WordPress and Blogger.
The third trends in ICT is mobile technologies. Mobile technologies is a technology used in cellular and other devices such as netbooks, smartphones, tablet, laptop, and etc.
It's the 7 types of mobile technologies. The 7 types of mobile technologies. First is iOS. iOS is used in Apple devices like iPhones, MacBooks, and iPads. Second one is Android, an open source operating system developed by Google like Oppo, Lenovo, Vivo, and Samsung, and other Android devices. The third one is BlackBerry OS, used in BlackBerry devices. The fourth one is Windows Phone OS, a closed source of proprietary operating system developed by Microsoft. The fifth one is Symbian, the original smartphone OS. The sixth one is Web OS, originally used for smartphones, now they are used for smart TV. The last one in the seventh, mobile technologies. Windows Mobile, developed by Microsoft for smartphones and pocket PCs.
What is the last trends in ICT? Assistive media. Assistive media is a platform that assists people with disability. It will guide the individual like a blind person by using audio recording.